factor 7x to the fifth minus 7x. So here we have 7x to the fifth minus 7x. So what we want to do is find our greatest common factor. So here we have 7 and here we have 7. So this means we could factor 7 out from both terms. So here we have 7. And in our variable, we have x to the fifth and x. So our greatest common factor is the variable with the smaller exponent. So it's x. So now we could factor 7x from both terms. When we do that, we get 7x times x to the fourth minus 7x times what to get 7x? Well, that's 1. So now we're going to factor out this term. Well, we can see that we can express this as the difference of two terms. So we could express this as x squared minus 1 squared. So now remember that a squared minus b squared is the same as a plus b times a minus b. So now we can express this as 7x times x squared plus 1 times x squared minus 1. So now we can try and factor out our terms. Well, we can't factor out this one, but we see that we have the difference of two terms. So here we could factor this out as x squared minus 1 squared, which factors out into x plus 1 times x minus 1. So now we can combine our terms. Here we have x squared plus 1 times 7x. So here's our answer. 7x times x squared plus 1 times x plus 1 times x minus 1.